Hello?
Okay. Hi, Vedika, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you got the output for yesterday. How have you tried?
Sorry.
I mean, yesterday we
No,
done.
I didn't got it. It didn't responded.
It didn't responded in the sense it is not opening, or is there any issues? I mean, is there any errors?
No, it didn't responded. I tried it many time, but
It's
sometime
because
it got hacked.
you're not supposed to use it in AVDR. Like, just give me a
Uh-huh.
minute.
Yeah.
Not this one. Just give me a minute. Let me check. So your PC is i3, right? i3 processor, right? i3
I
processor, 4
think.
GB RAM, right?
Yeah.
So try to use it in mobile. Surely it will work. Okay.
Okay.
So today you can use it in my system. I mean, I'll share the AnyDisk ID.
Yeah.
You can use AnyDisk. I mean,
Okay.
you can use Android Studio in my system. Okay. Instead of using it,
Yeah.
because see, anyways we are going to you are going to upload in Play Store, right? For that you need an access,
Yeah.
right? So we have an access, so you can use it in my system. Okay.
Yeah.
So had your lunch?
Yeah.
See, today we can see the color changing application. Okay.
Yeah.
And like it's only one line of coding, the same process, but instead of using Toast we going to use Intent. Okay. And tomorrow,
Okay.
after completion of this color changing application, I'm going to create 4 activities. You can create 3 activities, okay, in my system. Let me do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And see, for a reference, I created a logo thing application. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So it is for color changer application. For your
Okay.
application, tell you how to do this. Okay. So if I open this Rainbow
Yeah.
app, see the logo is there. Can you see the logo? An animated logo is there. Let me show you again.
Okay.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So this is what the animated logo, and the loading option is also there. Automatically, it will move to second activity. Okay. So the second activity is
Okay.
this one, a pink color. Okay. So
Yeah.
today I'll teach you how to go to second activity, how to use the intern. So I'll create a new project. I'll straight away we can change the colors. Do I want to teach you the logo today or tomorrow is fine? Which one you prefer?
Yeah. Yeah. Anything is fine.
Anything is fine or today?
Tomorrow also is fine.
Great. Because it's too complicated. At 5 we have some
Yeah.
other student class, so that's the reason I'm not doing it now. But for intern,
Yeah.
it is so easy. See, it's very simple.
Okay.
I'm going to new activity. I'm sorry. See, it's very simple. Yeah, I'm going to create a new project. Okay, file,
Yeah.
new project, empty activity, color changer. Okay, let
Yeah.
me. Uh, Okay, you're not supposed to use apostrophe color changer is one. Okay, name of the app is
Yeah.
color changer. Got it? Same
Okay.
API 16 is fine. But if you are using animations, if you are using GIF file, 16 API version is not possible. At least cases you can use 20. 20 it is possible.
Okay.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I'm going to do is the simple thing is color changing. So I'm mentioning as API 16. If you want to change the API version after creating the application, you can change it. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
So I'm creating a new application. That's it. It's very simple. So you are the one who wrote the story, or have you seen some other? I mean, websites you wrote the story. It's your own story.
Yeah. I searched things, but I can't get anything about Karnakot. It's
Uh-huh.
I mean, so I
Okay.
written a small story.
Yeah, by yourself you did it, right?
Yeah, some searches and some kind.
Great, great, great. So today, I think by today we can complete the color changer application, and by you can do it in my system. Okay. Let just give me a minute and see it is created. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is
Yeah.
I'm going to XML and I'm deleting this text. So I have to change the background. Okay. The first part is background. I'm selecting blue and I'm dragging a button. I'm placing it here. Okay. Clear. Am I too
Yeah.
fast?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
no.
I'm sorry. Am I too fast or not? Like if
No,
it if
it's
it's
smooth.
you already
Yeah.
know that is the
Going
reason I'm
smoothly.
doing it. Okay. Great. So I'm
Yeah.
dragging a button, I'm placing it here, and I'm assigning a constraint for the button. Yeah. Simply a button is more than fine. We don't want any other things. Okay. So
Yeah.
I just want to change the button color. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this color. Oops. Yeah, it has changed. Okay. So see, right now it is in blue. Okay. But what color it is? The
Yeah.
button color is it's pink, right?
Pink. Pink.
Okay. So it's better to assign an ID called pink. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And even I'm going to change the display. A button display name is button, right? So what
Yeah.
I'm going to do is I'm going to change the
Actually,
display as pink. Again the pink.
pink.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So everything is good, but the button text, I mean display size is too tiny, right? So I'm going to just change the exactly.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Everything is
Yeah.
good, but the font is not good. Again, I'm going to font family, and yeah, here it is not mentioned. So I'm creating a new font. Any font is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm selecting this. Okay, now it is changed. Okay, now the I mean now the background is changed. I've dragged a button. I changed the button ID. I changed the name of the I mean I changed the background of the button, and the display name is changed. Okay, that's it. So straight away what I'm going to do is I'm going to Java and I'm mentioning a button. Now button is created, right? Button.
Yeah.
Button name is any name is fine, but it's
Pink.
yeah, it's so easy if you declare as pink. Okay. So everything is pink. The ID is pink. The name of the button is pink. Even the display is also pink. So it will be more easy for you to, you don't want to remember and you don't want to check the ID. So straight away you can enter it. Okay. Pink, which is equal to find view by ID r dot id dot pink. It is completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you clear? So now what I'm going to do is, now what we have to do? Tell me. So
Now,
if I select that button, it has to move to second activity. So what we have to do? Yesterday you did it, right?
yeah, answer dot set on click.
Exactly. Set on click listener. New, I'm sorry, new view dot on click.
New view.
Exactly. New view dot on click listener. Okay. That is completed. Okay. Now the only point we have to change is intent. INTENT. Where for displaying a word, see, let me tell you, for for an alert message, toast we will use. For moving to next activity, I mean within the page, it has to move to second page. So for that we have to use intent. Okay, are you clear?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Intent, intent, second, we'll mention it as second sec, which is equal to new intent get either we can mention main activity. Right now we are in main activity dot this, okay, comma,
Yeah.
sec dot class class. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
So right now the error is there. It's because second activity is not created, where SEC, right, second activity is not created. That is the reason it is showing an error. So what we have to do is start activity. So that's it. It is completed. The coding is completed. So let me tell you this again. See, I'm deleting this. Intent is nothing but, you write it down. Intent is nothing but, if you want to move to first activity to second activity, we'll use intent. Okay. If I click the button, it has to move to second activity. So this, for moving to second activity, we are using intent. Okay. So again, I'm entering intent, second activity, new intent, whereas intern, I'm naming an intern which is equal to, we have named an intern, it has to do some process, right? So new intern,
Yeah.
right now I am in first activity dot this, and I wish to go to second activity, where second activity is not created. No worries, we can create it. Dot this, comma, second dot class. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. Start activity. So let's consider it in this way. Okay. Okay. So which state are you in? You are from
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. See, right now we are in Maharashtra. Okay. So you wish to travel to some other state. Okay. Let's consider you wish to travel to Tamil Nadu. Okay. So your intent is nothing but a ticket. Okay. So we are naming a ticket as Maharashtra to, the name of the ticket is second. Okay. Like destination. Great.
Oh.
So destination. Okay. So intent is nothing but a ticket. So inside the ticket, I need a new ticket. Right now, I am in Maharashtra. I'd like to move to Tamil Nadu. That is how it works. Okay. Am I confusing you?
No, it's fine. I got it.
Clear. So start activity. Start activity is nothing but intent is completed. I mean, you got the ticket. Okay, this is how the ticket works. You mentioned the you have mentioned to the ticket counter that stating that I am in Maharashtra, I have to move to Tamil Nadu, and at last the in ticket counter they are telling, yeah, here the ticket is. So you can start the activity by showing this ticket. So I am declaring the ticket inside the start activity. So without, you can't start the activity without this intern. You got my point, right?
Yeah.
Great. So now what we have to do is, either you can go to Java, right click, new activity, empty activity, or else straight away you can go to app, activity, empty activity, or else you can go to file, new activity, empty activity. It's totally your wish. There are three ways. It's very easy. Straight away go to Java, activity, empty activity. Okay. So what is the name of the activity? Can you please check here and tell? Vedika, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So right now, we are creating a new activity. Okay. So what is the name of the activity?
New.
No. So what is the previous name? Previous activity name? It is main activity. Okay. Right now, see, main activity
Yeah.
is nothing but Maharashtra. Okay. So I have to move to
Yeah.
second activity. Second activity is nothing but SCC, a short form of second activity. Okay. Sec dot class. Okay.
Yeah.
And here,
Okay.
so I have to create a activity in the name SCC. Okay. So I'm going to activity,
Yeah.
empty activity, second. Okay. SCC. That's it.
Yeah.
So I'd like to launch the activity. I'm launching the activity. It's very simple. It is completed. Okay.
Yeah.
And let's wait for a while. Yeah, here it is. Second activity is completed. So second activity, what is the color we have declared? It is pink, right? So I'm
Yeah.
going to background. Right now we are in pink. I have declared pink. Okay. Again, I'm dragging a
Okay.
button. I'm placing it here. For the second activity, even the XML file is there. Inside the XML file, I'm changing the background as pink, and I'm dragging a button, and I'm assigning a constraint. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to change the background of the button. Background of the button is orange, and eventually I'm going to change the text of the button. Text of the button is orange. Okay,
Yeah.
and I just
Yeah.
want to change the size of the display of the text. Okay, I'm changing that as 34, and eventually I just want to change the font. Simply I'm going to font, and I'm changing that as Arial. It has changed. Okay, so now I didn't do one thing.
Yeah.
What is it? What's that?
ID.
Very good. Okay, so ID is orange, will be more
Or
easier to remember. So I'm mentioning it as
yeah.
orange. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have to do is, again we have to go to the second activity Java. Again, what the same thing. You don't want to do anything new. The same thing we have to do.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Button.
Button. Very good. Now it is. We can name the button as orange. The error is there. That's totally fine. It's because, see, sometimes it won't declare. You have to enter alt enter. Okay. You
Yeah.
have to press the alt and enter at the same time, so that you will sort out the issue. Okay, now we are
Yeah.
in orange, which is I mean, sorry, which is equal to find view by ID r dot id dot orange. Okay, it is completed.
Yeah.
Whereas orange, oops, orange dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener, it is completed. Okay. Now again, what we have to do is what we have to do
Intent.
exactly. It has to
No.
move to a new activity.
Intent.
Oops.
Oh.
Again. Yeah, it has to move to orange. Okay, so that is the third
Yeah.
activity.
Okay.
So I'm mentioning the intern name as third. So new intern. Right now I am in second activity. Okay. Dot
Yeah.
this. Either way, I would like to go to. I'm sorry. Right now I am in second activity. Dot this. Comma. The third activity will be orange. Okay.
Yeah.
Orange, or else we can here
Third.
the second activity name is second, right? So I'll put
Yeah.
second dot third dot class. Okay, it is completed.
Yeah.
Start activity third. Okay,
Third.
that's it.
Yeah.
It is completed. So now what we have to do?
Um. Make third activity
Great,
XML.
great, great. That's it. That's it. Empty activity third. Okay. So I'm launching this
Yeah.
activity. I'm finishing it. Okay. So simply what I'm going to do
Yeah.
is the Gradle is running, it is completed. So it is the background is orange, right? Simply I'm going to
Yeah.
here, I'm going to change it. It is changed. Okay. Again, I'm dragging a button. So now you have to do it. Okay. It's your time to do it.
Yeah.
So I simply design the button. You declare the go to Java and you create the new activities. You have to create two activities. Okay, any color is fine. Right now we are
Yeah.
in orange, right?
Yeah.
We can every four colors are used. We can this one. Okay, again we have created a new button and see it's very simple. Right now I'm I'm going to text, changing the text. Okay, and I need
Yeah.
to change the size. I'm declaring the size and I'm mentioning the font. I don't like this font, so I'm changing the font. And the final part is ID.
ID.
Okay, so
Yeah.
as of now you are clear, right?
Yeah.
Great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the AnyDisk ID. You have to do it in my system. Clear?
Okay.
Great. So just give me a minute. Let me get the output now. Let's check whether it is working or not. Okay.
Yeah.
So as of now, it will work. Until like three activities we have created, it has to work. If it is working, we can create the fourth, fifth activity by you. Okay. 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, it will come. Don't worry. Yeah, it was completed. Straight away it is in last activity. It's because we are in last activity. So what we have to do is we have to go here and we have to run the application again.
Okay.
What is the app name? Color changer. Again, I'm going here. There are many color changer applications which is available.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now we are in first activity. Okay. If I select this
Yeah.
pink, it will move to pink and it shows the second activity button. Okay. Right now it is in
Yeah.
orange. If I select here, it goes to the third activity.
Green.
Third activity button is here. Right now what we have to do is, if you select this button, it has to move to green. I mean fourth activity. A green background have to be done, and eventually green background. I already did this, I think so. Just give me a minute. Okay, I've created this, but what you have to do is, you have to
Fourth.
declare the Java coding, and it has to move to fourth activity. Fourth activity color has to be in, green. Background
Green.
is green, and you have to create some other button, or either ways you can trigger the button to main activity as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I confusing you?
No, it's fine.
Great. Okay. Are you ready? I'll share the
Yeah.
AnyDesk ID. Just give me a minute. Yeah, here it is. Please copy this and paste it in your system. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I mean, you have to note it down and you have to mention it. Copy and paste is not possible, right? So,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I forgot totally. Okay, great. Yes. Shall we? Yeah. It's
Yeah.
totally your call. So you have to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me. I don't want to disturb with this. Just give me a minute. Let me close this. Okay, it is closed. So now you do it. If you have any questions, please ask me. Okay.
Okay. You have to start button from here, na?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, do it. You are doing great. Enter.
Yeah.
Enter. So it is slightly it is complicated to use it in my system, right?
Yeah.
I know. I know. See, what you have to do is, let me tell you. Just give me a minute. Now type it. Now type it.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure the button it is case sensitive? You remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. Okay. That's fine. You go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. You go on. Okay. Great. Okay. Go to second part. So where we have to go? You tell me. I'll do it. Okay. Okay. If you enter, I'm sorry. Already you did. So go on.
Um.
What happened? Yeah, it is not working, right? Great, great, great. It is not working, right? Set on
Yeah.
listener is not working. Why is that? You didn't do one thing. What is that? We have to find something, right? What we have to find?
Yeah. Next.
Which is
Green.
equal to? Which is
You
equal?
don't have to write find view by ID, na?
We have to write, yeah. In everything,
Right?
give me a minute. Let me show you. See, here the error is coming. Can you see? 1 second, let me show
Yeah.
you this. It's because it is not showing the perfect view. So what we have to do is Alt Enter. Okay. Let me do it again. Alt Enter. Okay. Now the button is working. See, in previous activity also, we did find view by ID. Can you see here?
Okay.
So we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to do all these things except one thing you are not supposed to do. That is toast. We are not supposed to declare a toast.
Overall.
We can declare it, but right now we are not supposed to do it. Okay,
Okay.
because today task is totally different, right? Do it, do it.
Yeah.
You're doing great. Do it. That's fine. Do it, do it. What happened? Yeah,
It's,
do it. It will work.
yeah.
Great. Enter. Great. See, it is not, I mean, it is, I mean, it is not comfort for you. It's because you are using through AnyDesk. But usually in
Yeah.
the system, it will work. Don't worry. Okay. No, it is not question. What is the ID? You go there and check. Go there, go to, very good. Very good. Yeah. What is the second process? Great. Good. Enter. Just enter it. That's fine. Yeah. Good. Enter. That's it. See, Miss Vedika, the problem is
Yeah.
you just give me a, let me tell you something. Yeah, it is correct, yeah. Why are you deleting it?
Okay.
See, usually in mobile, if you enter it, it moves to second. I mean, whether in Word or some other thing, if you enter, it goes to second line. So that is the reason you are thinking. I think so. But if you enter, it will come. Okay, don't worry. Usually you have to enter.
Yeah.
Okay. New dot,
Yeah.
what we have to do? Sorry, new space, what we have to do? Good,
View on click list.
good, good. Why the error is coming? No, it is not right. Why it is not? Ah, very good, very good. That's it. Very good. So what's the next process? As of now, you did great. So what is the next process? Great. Okay. Good. Good.
Maintain.
Okay, but already we did third intern, right? We are in third activity, right?
4.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And even third is fine, but it will collapse. So that is the reason I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Right now, which activity you are in? Are you in main activity right now?
No.
Which activity you are in?
It's third.
Very good. That's it. See, active. You don't want to worry. See, activity is nothing but the app name. See, I mean the activity name. So the first activity name is main activity. The second activity name is second SEC, and the third activity is THRD. Okay. You please enter
Yeah.
THRD dot this. Right now I'm in third. Very good. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot. Very good. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So right now, which activity we wish to move? You enter whatever the name is. It's totally your wish. Either
Yeah.
the end, even you can enter the end or end activity. Anything is fine. It's totally your
Yeah.
wish. Anything is fine. No, not. See. You did great, but we are not supposed to use space inside the. I mean, we can use space, like, but we have to declare like this. See, uh, like, let me show you. And dot class. You can
Oh,
create like this. Okay,
yeah.
but I prefer if you enter end, that is fine. Okay, it won't be good. Even it will create a bug. Okay, end class is fine. Okay.
Okay.
So now what you have to do?
Now.
As of now, you did great. Okay, good, good. Now, very good. Again, delete it and do it again. Control is it. You yeah, do it again. Start activity. See, great, but see, what the mistake you've done is, of course, it is a case sensitive, whereas start S is not a capital letter. So,
Yeah.
what you did, that is the only mistake you did. Okay. So again, you have to delete it. It is not like a, I mean, yeah, either ways you can select this. No. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Now we enter it again. Do it again. Yeah, enter. Very simple. First activity skip. That's it.
End, right?
No,
Fourth.
exactly. See, end is a new activity name, so we are not supposed to do that. So straight away, we can't do a start activity for the second class. So that is the reason we are using intern. Whereas in start activity, we can put intern name. So whereas the intern name is fourth, that is the reason we are putting inside the start activity, we are mentioning fourth. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, if we process the intern, it goes to the fourth activity or the end activity. Got it? So what else you have to do? So even you have to do some other thing, right? At last, everything is completed. Right now, one error is there. What is the error?